है? It's been a while since I gave any update here. Hi guys, as you named, welcome back to my channel. Oh god, it's like every single time. It's been so long since I posted on YouTube. So there are many days where I thought I'm gonna blog it, but मुझे था कि let me give you a ऐसा पहले brief दे दूँ, then I will post something on YouTube. Yeah, I don't have to talk like that. I have thousands of followers who are waiting for my repost, who are waiting for that. Oh, I have always missing. Why she's not posting? And but of course, my future, my kids, my future partner, they're gonna see it. So basically, I got a job. Yes, I got a job, and I started working. It's been a month. I'm working, and it's mixed feelings. I love work, but I don't like my routine, which I am fixing over time. Time लगेगा थोड़ा. But yes, that is the main update which is going on in my life. Today's episode is today's episode. Today's video is all about mix of a life update and there are few things which I want to talk about, which I'm trying these days to overcome my overthinking, which I just previously talked about how we can control our mind or how we can overcome that overthinking. But I forgot the episode name which I used to give to my that series. But yes, it's episode 4 of that. And let me tell you some things which I'm doing recently. One of that is do that wordplay games नहीं होते where you search for the word and then you map it and then you write it down. Okay, this word is marked something. So in the word puzzle games, which is helping me a lot, I get to learn new words. Then along with that, it's helping me to distract myself from everything around. I am focused on that puzzle and I'm enjoying it as a game, but as a learning as well. That is something I'm doing to increase my vocabulary as well. Plus to have a little away time from screen and from the chaos of the world. So that is something I highly recommend you all to do. And secondly, it is listening to the music with really good lyrics. So I used to be a person who used to love Coldplay since forever, and they have really good lyrics. You know what? I don't know, but psychology in the depth of this, I went recognizing my own patterns that when you focus the lyrics of the song, you connect it so much. So there is one song in Hindi which is पहाड़ों में मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया उसमें एक लाइन आती है कि मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया. Okay, that is the pahado wala line. I know I'm a bad singer, but it's like speed that line that hits me because somehow or the other we are in a red race. I don't know where we are heading to. No, and I feel sometimes man like I can slow down, but it's not happening. Somehow or the other way every day there's a guilt of not doing something productive for my own self. Yep, I'm figuring that out, and I'm on my path to do that. So today, this is fine. I'm coming back on YouTube so that I have a motivation to do something every single day. I try to write. I, I don't know, but I don't have energy to shoot a video and post it, edit it, and all those things. I have a video that I need to edit since like 3, 4 months. No, Diwali ke time pe I shot a video. It's been 6 months, more than 6 months. I have not posted that video. So there are a lot of stuff in that and which I need to start working on. I will definitely for sure. Why not? Okay, बोल देती हूँ अभी सब कुछ टाइम में सब देखा जाएगा. It's not like that, to be honest. Also, the main thing which was to overcome the overthinking part that is there. Also, being busy. I know it is very contradictory or many people will be like, oh ऐसा नहीं होता है, ये नहीं होता है, वो नहीं होता है. ये बहुत every person will have different opinion on that, but being busy actually helps a lot. Whenever I am in the office for like 9 hours, my brain is shut from the outside noise and I am working in that zone. And to be honest, I enjoy working because when I am using my all the creative energy, dopamine, whatever I have to the work, and that helps a lot. And my work includes writing and shooting, which the both things I love. So that is a good part where I strategize what to post, what not to post. That is a really good part. So I feel being busy with the things you love helps a lot. It also gives me clarity and ideas where I can improve myself, I can learn better, which all the things are trending, which I can include in my learn book. So, yep, that are the things which first is try a game, mind game, but it's not a phone mein, buy a word puzzle book, buy board games or anything. That is one thing. And second is lyrics. Focus on the lyrics of a music to feel that in your psychological pattern. And third is be busy with the things you love the most. So, yep, these are some things which I do to keep myself charged up mentally. Yep, that is the thing. Okay, bye bye. Too much bug for straight 5 minutes, 6 minutes. But that's it for this video. See you soon. Bye bye. Please, please pass me motivation.